Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, right now the market is in a very confused state. As we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving event, you can see that some tokens are going in green while some tokens are actually holding in red. I mean, Doge is still able to hold over the 15-cent mark. If we talk about the trading volume, it has dropped significantly, fallen below the $2 billion mark. Now, Fed chairman just announced that US might not reduce the interest rate. This is going to be affecting the Dogecoin and the crypto market really strongly. Dogecoin on-chain matrix turned bullish, but why is the price down? And you can see that money supply is starting to come in. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of Doge to decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Right now, the social engagement for any token is going to be one of the driving factors, so we need to make sure there is more people talking about Dogecoin while the prices are consolidating. Now, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about how the Dogecoin price is reacting to everything. Now, if you have been paying attention to precious metal, yesterday after we got the news around the fact, hey, we will be seeing the price going down, especially on Friday, that was the time when precious metal and the crypto market all took a really strong dump. After that, we noticed that on Sunday there was another stronger dump from the crypto market, but obviously the stock market and the precious metals market was closed. Since they have been opened again, there has been a little bit of recovery, while crypto is not able to recover as quickly. Now, if you talk about Dogecoin specifically, right now we are actually sitting at a key support level close to 15 cents, as you guys can see, and overall, if we do decide to fall below this, the next support will be close to 13 cents, which was actually tested previously as well when we saw that spike down. Now, keep in mind, those are the two key support levels that you should be paying attention to right now if you are trying to DCA. Now, DCA right now would be a perfect time because 15 cents is such a critical time. At the same time, 13 cents is also going to be a really good time to buy. If we decide to fall below that, the next support is actually not going to be until all the way down to the 12-cent mark. Now, that's going to be the next support to be paying attention to, and I'm very certain a lot of you guys do not want to see that support being hit. Now, on the other end, if you are going to be talking about the resistance, the key resistance levels are going to be 17 cents or 17.5, just between that area, and then there is going to be 18 cents, and then there's going to be 20 cents. Now, those are the key resistance to be paying attention to if you are going to be, trading, leverage trading. You can actually just set your take profits around that zone. Now, let's talk about this. Fed chairman, the US might not reduce the interest rate in its upcoming policy meeting that will be happening very soon. Now, this is going to be having a little bit of a negative impact on the crypto market. If you guys do not know how, well, in simple terms, you just need to understand when there is going to be no change to the interest rate and it being so high, the stock market and the crypto market are considered as high risk, and there will be many people that will be trying to stay away from high risk investment while they are trying to just make sure their interests are paid and just trying to sustain the other side of the story. So that will have a little bit of negative impact. As you talk about the big whales, they will most likely be trying to take their money to a safer option. Now, Dogecoin on-chain metrics turned bullish, but why is Dogecoin price down? I mean, data from the market intelligence shows that 83% of Dogecoin holders are currently in profit at its current price. Despite that, these investors have opted against offloading their tokens but have chosen to hold. The bullish mindset among the investors is further data which shows 65% of the holders have held their token for over a year. So it's clearly showing that everyone that is holding on to Dogecoin right now is thinking of the long term. They're not just thinking of a short-term gain or just leverage trade and get out of this. They're thinking of the long term and how to actually make more profit. So this is actually a very good time to be able to make more profit. But why is the price price being held down. And at the same time, Dogecoin money supply is starting to have a little bit of a positive trend if you look at the overall market. So what is holding down the price? Well, the first clear answer is the Bitcoin halving event, which is just about 2 days away. That's causing the whole market to be able to be held down. And on the other end, there are some real life events which are holding it down. I mean, war related problems, also some stuff relating to flooding, and just so many problems in real life which is causing the market to be held down. Now if we talk about the open interest, it is down 2% today, but if you talk about the long to the short ratio, it's still sitting at the same zone. It's not being changed quite significantly, 70 to 30. The market's still in the positive. And if we talk about the liquidations in the last 24 hours, we have seen close to 5 million, which is a little bit more sustainable. Now on the other end, Grok announced, if I were Dogecoin, I would choose the month of April 2024 to reach my all-time high. This is because Dogecoin has a history of experiencing a significant movement in April, especially around the 20th of April where Doge Day is celebrated. Now the hype and sentiment surrounding this day can potentially lead to the price going very high, and that is a very good prediction. As you guys can see, one of the key drivers of Dogecoin right now. Throughout May 2024, the Dogecoin community worked even harder to promote the coin, and then pivotal point and it finally hits $1. Now Grok is predicting that June will be the time when Dogecoin will be hitting $1. Now it's really interesting to see because X Payments most likely is being talking about the first announcement going live in June as well. So could that be having some sort of correlation? Well, that will be something we will have to see. Dogecoin purer than Ethereum. Elon Musk excessive react to top 10 move. I mean, right now, if you pay attention, Doge is actually just fighting with Toncoin. I mean, you can see that the market cap of Toncoin is a little bit less than Doge, but it's just not been updated for Dogecoin to be higher. But this, like a little bit of the fight that's going on, is actually causing the market to be a little bit shifty, but overall the market is really quiet. That's the right way to say it, simply being patient and making the decision as the days are coming. Now, Dogecoin holder profitability remains high. I mean, even though the price has dropped, most of the people who are holding on to Dogecoin right now are most likely in profit. Now, Thai SEC to protect the token holders with tighten ICO rules. Now, this is, I guess, a good thing just to protect their people, but in general, this is going to be tightening down many other things relating to crypto as well. And Bitcoin price crash, legendary trader Peter weighs in. Now, Peter says that Dogecoin and Bitcoin in general are not at the end yet. There is a little bit thing left. Maybe there might be a slight pullback, might actually retest the 52K milestone due to the fact that Bitcoin halving usually causes the price to drop a little bit. If we retest 52, everything's going to take a little bit of a dip, and then we will be recovering a lot faster. Other than that, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Hopefully this video cleared some things up for you. If it did, drop a like on it if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.